Well, today we got 2021 YZ250F. So let's see how it feels on a wet track at Cahuilla Creek. Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron, and as I said, today we got 2021 YZ250F. We are at the Cahuilla wet track. We'll see how this bike runs. This is a stock, 100% stock bike, nothing was done to this bike, and I'm just kind of curious to see how this brand new 2021 bike rides. Alright guys, so 2021 YZ250F, 100% stock. Nothing was done to this bike. We only play with the maps that come with the bike. You can change them on your cell phone. That's pretty cool about these Yamahas. And man, I had so much fun. I know I say that every time I ride, but it's true, you know, every time I ride I just have so much fun. So what else can I say? But yeah, sometimes it's a little bit different. Like with you, if you ride different bikes, then you feel like, yeah, something is not 100%, so you're maybe not pushing too hard, and then the level of fun is a little bit lower. But on this YZ250F, I just had 100% fun. Starting from the suspension. Yeah, I cannot tell you guys enough about this stock out of the box Yamaha suspension. I'm 200 pounds right now, and I'm hitting all these jumps here on the wet track. So if the suspension is not good, I would feel it, you know. And then I just love it. I love it on the big jumps. I love it on the you know, speed bumps when you go through braking bumps or acceleration bumps, and it felt good everywhere. So out of the shortened floor, out of the box, this suspension is phenomenal. I think you don't need to spend extra money to set this suspension, if you are somewhere between 150 to like 200, 210 pounds, I think it will suit a lot of riders. You can play with those clickers and you can set it where you need it, where you want it. And later on, if you need to do a little bit of maintenance on them, a couple of years down the road or a year, depends how much you ride, yeah, you can maybe go and set it up, visit those companies, Racetech, Factory Connection or Enzo or somebody. But out of the box right now, it's really good. Felt really good. The power, it's enough. It's everything I need on the wet track. You saw it, guys. I clear everything that I normally do. Now there are two triples on the track that I'm not even trying to clear. One is a little bit uphill there. I tried a couple times and I almost crashed. So I said, okay, I'm not gonna try to hit those triples. They made it in a way that you can double them or you can triple them. So I double single and it's working for me okay. And I'm trying to work on my speed in the turns when I'm entering the turns and going on the gas and being a little bit more smoother and keep the momentum. Because I raced this guy on a 1983 RM125 like a couple of weeks ago, and he was faster than me and he had like no brakes. So all the time he kept that momentum. So I was watching the video and I was like, hey, I have to try to kind of do the same thing that he was doing. So I'm trying to be a little bit faster in the turns and get faster on a track like that, you know. So you don't really have to have like super fast bike to be faster. You can work on your details, especially in the corners. That's where I feel that I'm losing in the corner. So this bike really felt good, worked for me really well. Now, can I use more power? Yes, of course I can. And I was missing it a little bit. Like if you had little more punch, then it wouldn't be a bad thing, you know. Like usually we put a big bore. Jay Clark, this bike also from Jay from Dirt Bike TV, he puts a big bore on this thing, put Vortex on it, FMF system, and you can feel it. It has more power and it pulls a little bit better. So it's plus, it's not necessity. You can ride it stacked the way it is right now, and you can, wet guy like myself, you can do everything you need to do on a wet track. Now I would probably not hit the main track on this bike. Actually, I don't feel confident on any bike on the main track, so you know that doesn't really matter what kind of bike I ride. But as I said, man, for the majority of the guys, like you guys might be watching this video, buy this bike, and I think you will be happy if you ride normal wet tracks. You are not too competitive, you're not looking for winning any races out of the box. Will put a smile on your face, suspension works, great brakes, bike feels really good, feels right in my hands. The stock bars, actually I like them. The bend is a little bit better. Actually today I rode one bike, I met one guy here from the channel, and I rode his bike and he had a little bit lower bars, and it was also YZ250F, and it felt so different. So I can really tell that if the setup works for me, I feel great on the bike. If something is a little bit off, then I felt a little bit weird. So this bike right off the shoulder floor, as I told you before, felt really good. Fell into my hand like it's my bike, and I went for maybe like 1 hour 20 minutes altogether today. So definitely great day. It's January in California. We have like 75 degrees today. Beautiful day, a little bit windy, so I had to be careful when hitting step down. Sometimes I would feel that it was moving me a little bit, but other than that, great day. Let me know, guys, below in the comments how you enjoyed this video, what your thoughts are, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.